Best multimeters you can buy for 50 bucks right now is this Milwaukee. This is the 2212-20, and it's got a couple of features I think you guys are going to enjoy. What makes this multimeter great is their auto sensing feature. You can hear the audible alarm and see the red light at the top left of the meter. It turns on as soon as it senses voltage. Automatically switches to ohms and continuity without having to push any buttons. You'll notice this is unlike regular multimeters you see. There's only two buttons here, on and off, and a light. So it also has a built-in flashlight, which is a nice touch. Here you can see we auto switch to DC. So this is the DC. So it's got about 19 volts, 18.4 right now. I really like the lead storage on it. So you have storage mode, or you can actually use it like one hand free while you're testing voltage. It works off of 3 AAA batteries, just under 6 inches long, 2 1/4 wide, 1 inch deep. Packs up really nicely, and the clip helps with lead storage. At 50 bucks, you can't go wrong for DIY or homeowners. The auto sensing feature is going to keep you guys out of trouble if you're not too familiar with all those dials on standard multimeters. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.